Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Today, we are looking at two words that both translate to now in English. 지금 and 이제. They may seem similar at first, but they point to very different moments in time. Using the wrong one can change the feeling of your sentence completely. Let's make this clear and simple. Here's the rule. 지금 equals now, at this moment, while 이제 equals from now on, starting now. Think of it this way. 지금, the current moment, 이제, a new phase or change. See some basic examples. 지금 공부해요. I am studying now. 지금 집에 있어요. I'm at home right now. 지금 바빠요. I am busy at the moment. 이제 공부할게요. I will study from now on. 이제 괜찮아요. It's okay now. 이제 시작해요. We are starting now. Imagine these scenes. Talking about today. 지금 뭐 해요? 지금 일하고 있어요. What are you doing now? I'm working right now. When talking about change, 이제 운동할 거예요. I will exercise from now on. 이제 늦지 않을게요. I won't be late anymore. Same words in English, different meaning in Korean. A common mistake is using 지금 when you mean a change or decision. 지금 열심히 할게요. This sounds like only this moment, so you'd better say 이제 열심히 할게요. That conveys the meaning of from now on. See another mistake. 이제 집에 있어요. Confusing if you mean right now. So, 지금 집에 있어요. So always ask yourself, am I talking about this moment or a new beginning? Koreans often use 이제 to mark emotional or life changes. 이제 괜찮아요. I'm okay now after difficulty. 이제 이해했어요. Now I understand. It often signals relief, resolution, or a turning point. Quick review. 지금 equals now this moment. 이제 equals from now on, starting now. See some practice sentences. 지금 비가 와요. It's raining now. 이제 우산을 가져갈게요. I will bring an umbrella from now on. Leave a comment using 지금 and 이제.